I travel 2025, let's go!
Ikaw na naman. Akala ko mag-graduate ka na.
Ako din na.
Ay, hindi ako yung pinapala ko. Sorry po, ma'am. Nice.
Gusto lang, ma'am. Sama ka sa vlog ko, ma'am. Food review. Ay, guys, pakilalakan po namin si Maui.
Babagsak ko.
Ay, wag naman.
My name is Leonard.
This is our homie.
Oy.
What's your name? What's your name?
MJ.
Okay, dito tayo sa Teacher's Camp. Wow, Teacher's Camp.
Like what if...
Uy, may effects pa dito.
Emergency.
Chill.
Hey, yo!
I heart Bitcoin. Nice. Uy, perfect. Ito yung sa akin. Your size is not here.
Right? With my size, bro.
Custom job.
Hey, Ethan, is this perfect?
Mas nagkakapela dyan.
Or larger?
Uy!
Larger.
Too small.
Nice collection.
You do the stuff, bro? Yeah. You know a guy? You know the sauce?
Ito na po sila, ma'am. Boss.
Shopping a garden or something?
Boss, tara na, boss.
For the phase 2, nandyan po yung ating event space.
Ilang capacity na to?
Bali yung capacity po niyan is 30 to 50 persons.
Tinanggal yung baka.
Yung bidet nila is yung Japanese na
Ayun, that's all.
may papictures ng toilet, papictures ng toilet.
Hindi makita yung bidet eh.
Dapat nakita mo. Yan.
Expensive toilet. Gusto ko sana tumayo pero kasi it looks too free.
Yan yan.
Wow! Kasha yan.
Sarap. Lamig.
Tatamburo.
Yo, tatamburo.
Okay. That's all for this vlog. See you in the next one. Bye.
Talaga yung pinuntahan natin eh.